And this is my gift to you, a golden hour LUT. This is how it looks like, and let me show you how to get it. Enter my webpage, get this, Gumroad page will open, click I want this. Before you proceed, you can support the work or add a tip. Proceed to checkout and get your files. Now unzip it, and inside you have tutorial, LUTs and test clips. Open DaVinci, new project, name it, drag the clips inside, new timeline, open color tab, enter project settings, open LUT folder, drag golden hour LUTs inside DaVinci LUT folder. Update lists, open LUTs tab, find new LUTs, start with the BaseLUT, apply it to your node, then add a serial node and apply creative LUTs. And this is how it should look like. If the LUT is too strong, don't worry. Go to Key tab and reduce key output. Appreciate your support and a very happy birthday.